Do you want to sound more natural, more confident, and more fluent when you speak English? There is one technique that thousands of language learners use, and it works almost like magic. It improves pronunciation, rhythm, tone, listening, and fluency all at once. It's called shadowing, and today I'm going to teach you exactly how to do it, step by step, the right way. Welcome back to Your Next English, where we build fluency naturally, confidently, and without translation. Let's begin. What is shadowing? Shadowing is a powerful language learning technique where you listen to a native speaker and speak at the same time, following their rhythm, pronunciation, and intonation, just like a shadow follows a person. It is not repeating after the speaker. It's speaking with the speaker. Think of it like singing along to a song. Your voice joins their voice. This trains your mouth, your brain, and your ears to work together in English. Why shadowing works. The science. Shadowing improves fluency because it activates 3 skills at the same time. 1. Listening. Your ear learns how English actually sounds. 2. Speaking. Your mouth muscles copy real pronunciation patterns. 3. Real-time processing. Your brain learns to think in English quickly without translation. This combination rewires your language system and builds automatic fluency. The 3 levels of shadowing. Level 1. Slow shadowing. Beginner to lower intermediate. You shadow slower audio or simple conversations. You focus on clarity, not speed. Goal: learn how sounds connect, reduce, and change. Level 2. Natural speed shadowing. Intermediate. You shadow real native material at normal speed. This is where your fluency begins to jump. Goal: develop rhythm, stress, and natural intonation. Level 3. Fast shadowing. Advanced. You shadow audio that is slightly faster than normal speech. This trains quick thinking and strong pronunciation control. Goal: speak smoothly and confidently at any speed. Step by step, how to shadow correctly. Step 1. Choose the right audio. Choose something short. A short podcast, a movie scene, a YouTube clip, an English story, a speech. Avoid robotic voices. Choose natural, clear English. Step 2. Listen first, no speaking. Do a preview listen to understand the flow and meaning. Don't try to memorize, just notice the rhythm. Step 3. Start slow shadowing. Now shadow the same audio with the speaker, but slowly. Say the words softly at first. Don't worry about mistakes, just follow the music of English. Step 4. Shadow at natural speed. Increase intensity. Match the speaker's tone, stress, and pronunciation. Imagine you are the speaker. Step 5. Shadow with emotion. Copy the attitude of the speaker. Are they excited, calm, confident, serious? Copying emotion improves your expressive ability in English. Step 6. Record yourself. Record 10 to 15 seconds of your shadowing. Compare your voice with the original. Notice your clarity, your rhythm, your stress, your emotion, and your smoothness. This is one of the most powerful steps. Step 7. Repeat daily for 10 minutes. Shadowing for 10 minutes a day for 30 days equals huge fluency improvement. This technique is more effective than many classroom lessons. Live shadowing practice, interactive. I'll guide you through a real practice session. I'll read a line, and you shadow with me. Sentence 1. Natural rhythm. I'm trying to speak English more naturally every day. Now shadow. Speak with me. Sentence 2. Connected speech. Do you want to grab a coffee later? Notice Do you want to becomes do you wanna. Shadow with me. Sentence 3. Stress and intonation. I didn't say you did it. I said she did. Shadow the stress.
Sentence 4.
Emotion. That's unbelievable. I can't believe it. Copy my tone and energy. Sentence 5. Natural conversation flow. So, what do you think we should do next? Shadow this in a relaxed tone. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Mistake 1. Speaking too loud. Shadow softly at first. Mistake 2. Trying to be perfect. Shadowing is not perfection, it's training. Mistake 3. Choosing long content. Start with small clips. Mistake 4. Translating while shadowing. Never translate. Feel the rhythm. Your 7-day shadowing challenge. Try this short challenge. Day 1 to 2, 5 minutes slow shadowing. Day 3 to 4, 8 minutes natural speed shadowing. Day 5 to 6, 10 minutes natural plus emotional shadowing. Day 7, record a full 30 to 40 seconds comparing before and after. You will feel a real difference by the end. Shadowing is one of the fastest paths to real fluency. If you commit to this technique daily, your pronunciation, speed, confidence, and natural expression will transform. If you want more interactive training, subscribe and continue the journey inside the English Fluency Masterclass playlist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. This is Your Next English. Thanks for learning with me today. If you found this lesson helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Your Next English. We're building a journey of real fluency together, step by step, lesson by lesson. Stay tuned, because the next videos will take your English to a whole new level. See you in the next lesson.